Ladies and gentlemen, please stand.
So with the blessed rain we got this weekend and today, I know it was a trek to get over here. So Charlie and I really do appreciate you being here with all of us.
You look beautiful. I love it. That's a serious veil.
I know.
Look at the girl.
It's not raining.
I know.